attract international patients from all over the world to your clinic via the Bookimed platform. Bookimed is the #1 medical tourism platform in the world. Since 2014, we've been matching patients to the right clinics for all of their medical needs. Getting started with Bookimed couldn't be easier. Just open the website, jump to the registration page, enter your basic data, and follow the simple step-by-step guide to create your clinic's personal profile. Step 1. Enter your basic information and indicate your clinic's key specialties. Step 2. Accept the terms and conditions. Step 3. Check your email for the agreement. As soon as the responsible person at your clinic signs it, your profile is activated. Step 4. Log into your account to create your clinic's page. You are almost done. There is only one step left. Show your facility to patients. Upload photos of your clinic, describe your strengths, and add prices, doctors' CVs, treatment packages, and hot deals. Great job! Now patients from over 210 countries can find your clinic and apply to book a treatment with you. When you receive a request, you can find the patient's details with their medical history and records in the application. Create a treatment plan with the cost estimate right here. Take a look. When you send the patient their program, the request status changes automatically. Once the patient accepts your plan, you need to confirm the booking date and specify the medical journey details. Then, be ready to accept the patient. Ask the patient to share their feedback on the platform after the completion of their treatment. A good review boosts your clinic's rating and helps you to attract new patients. Register on Bookimed.com and scale up your international patient traffic now.